At Gowdy, we consider knowledge and experience something earned. Our team has over 50 years combined experience in the flooring industry. Why does that matter? Let's let our experts tell you.
Most of us have a background in installation, so that helps us to help you decide what you want to put in and what you can and can't put in your house. If your house has got a really loose subfloor and it vibrates when you're walking on it, then we can't put porcelain tile in there. It just can't happen. You're going to have to figure out either you want to go back with carpet or you're going to put vinyl, something that can flex. If it's flexing already, there's no sense in putting something that's rigid in there because your grout's going to pop. So that's not going to work. A lot of people will come in and like, I want to put wood throughout my whole house, bathrooms and everything. Well, you can't put wood in a bathroom. It cannot handle moisture. The shower gets that room to 100% humidity. So over time, back and forth, the floor's gonna warp. It's just gonna tear it up. So those are things that not everybody understands or knows. When you come to Gowdy, these are the problems we can help you solve.
Knowledge and know-how. When you want assurance that the job will be done well, you've got to go Gowdy.